2, go. A millimeter.
Mesti ketam ni, mesti ketam.
Mesti ketam ni. Cik, let's. Ketam kat bagai lalang lagi banyak bai.
Bagai lalang sikit.
Caitik. Jangan bagi dia breakfast. Dia sebab dia dengar tapak kaki kita ke tau?
Ya.
Wah. This is the golden hour. Biasa aku lu dengan kakak aku itu macam awak ingat yang ni. Try.
Lompat, lepas tu aku kena.
Kenapa? Wow. Kita tolak air sini macam bagi dia splash. Aku rasa nak buat transition splash. Okay. Baik. Dah sakit. Sorry. Let's see. I'll be extreme from right here. This is the 2022 way. Oh, look at that. Nope. Cik, ajak terapung ni. Sini kau boleh terapung tak? Sini kau boleh terapung?
Boleh.
Cik.
First step, tutup ni dong.
Alright. Macam mana dah kau terapung?
Bila kau dah masuk dalam, kau boleh maintain tau. Kau macam jadi kapal selam, kau boleh maintain.
Masalah aku mesti jatuh tau. Lepas tu aku cuak.
Yelah, tapi lama nanti kau dapat apung kat badan.
Yeah. I can't swim. Never see it.
Tapi even kau boleh menyelam pun, kau boleh berenang pun, kau boleh survive. Tapi itu salah satu macam weapon je lah yang ada.
Ya, at least ada kat ability bai.
Ya.
Kau duduk macam ni, dia tak boleh ni macam terapung ke? Kau kena flat.
Sebab kaki dia rapat terus, dia tak boleh. Dia kena kaki.
Oh, macam flat lah.
Macam ni boleh.
Oh, gila. Aku nak buat. Oi, awak sedap siap. Aku nak buat. Wow.
Punca aku menyelam pun sebab ni aku nak tangkap kaki orang.
Seriously?
Sebab kau tahu menyelam kau nampak tenang tau, tapi sebenarnya ada benda bergerak kat bawah kan. Orang tak perasan gerak.
I'll put my GoPro here, but because I can't concentrate, I need to learn how to swim. Let's see if I can make it in one class. I don't know, but I'm excited, you know. The float just floating over there. Sounds really cool.
A few moments later.
Finally can swim. I have progressed. Not really like a pro one, but not bad for first hours working on it.
Go on to test his swimming skill. Just learned about 10 minutes ago, I think. Okay. 30 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay. 1, 2, go. Okay. It's coming near. Let's progress in this training. Right. Coming near. Then here we go. Good. Yeah. Cross.
Happy New Year. Safe.
Kita kena matahari kan, mesti lawa gambar.
Yeah. That. Menyelam in 3, 2, 1.